Good morning, and welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. Um, it's very chilly out here this morning. And it's like 50, I guess, so maybe not real chilly. But it's like 50 degrees. So, as you can tell, the garden is kind of putting itself to bed as we speak. But I have lots of melons and lots of spaghetti squash so far. And I have these, I don't know if you guys know about these let me see if I can get this. Jumbo pink banana squash. These things get monstrous. Look at this. Can you see how big that is? When I pick one, I'll make sure that I show you, but look at this. Look at how big that is. Crazy. So we got a couple of those. Oh, I see another big one. I don't know if I can find it though. Going the other way. So those are coming along. Spaghetti squash is starting to turn colors. There it is. How are we gonna get in there? Can you see that? Right there. Look at how big that is. That's crazy. And we got some pumpkins here. This one's starting to turn orange. And we have some delica. Those are hard to find. When I'm not looking for them, I stumble upon them. And like my phone's charging. So then I can never... Oh, there they are. Okay. If I get to the delica, whatever, I can actually get to this one and show you again. Look at how big that is. And then the delica ones are back in here. They're kind of green and yellow. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what we got going on. Oof, chilly. So, that's what's happening with the garden. I think tomorrow or something, I'll get out here and really start putting this thing to bed. Next, we have all of the rafters are up. Trusses, whatever you want to call them. Those are all up. They are not all secured with as many purlins as we would like, but they are up. So I went around yesterday and I put hurricane straps on most of them, right there, and use the screws that they like you to use with them. I still have to do these end ones that haven't quite been secured yet over here. And I gotta do the outside gable ends with a different hurricane strap. I'll show you. Let's see if I can find. So these are our little 1.5 inch screws. And these are from Simpson Strong Tie. These are the hurricane straps for the gable ends, they call them. And I don't have any of the other hurricane straps. But that's what I was doing yesterday. So today, I think probably continue that and maybe hang some green zip. So you might get 2 videos today. That'd be kind of fun. Oh, yeah, this 50-degree weather, it drastically changed, like, quickly. We went from like 80, 90, 100-degree days to now mornings that are like 50. Just weird. Well, and it rained yesterday, or last night a little bit, so it's probably just a wet cold, which always makes me chilly. Can you unlock the Toyota, please? Never mind, I can do it. The mail. Okay. So, let's see. I gotta open this door before it relocks on me. Hurricane strap. This is what we used on all the middle trusses. So, that's what we did. And there'll be probably more happening today because I didn't get them all. There's some uneven ground, couldn't get a ladder to sit properly. And so, mail to the mailbox, flag up. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, I opened the truck door. He likes himself some car rides. So, that's what we're doing. This is really kind of feeling like home now. Actually, it's gonna be weird not being able to do that, but yeah, it's really feeling like it might actually be a house. This is crazy. This is crazy. But it's all good. It's fun. I'm having a good time with it. So we will, once this is finally done, we'll take measurements. We'll be able to order our metal. While the metal's coming, green sheet can go up. We can try to deal with this lean-to that kind of got pushed to the side. Oh, we'll see what happens. It'll be fun. We're gonna try to get in here before, I was hoping before November, but I don't know if that's gonna work out. Big K is hoping before Thanksgiving, so we'll have to see. I don't know. We will find out. But if you'd like to use the back door, because just walking off of here is not a very safe thing to do anymore. You kind of go down a hill. On your way back down the hill, if you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that little bell notification button. And it looks like I have both dogs, so no help needed there. Stay warm, y'all. I appreciate y'all.